One of the first things we learn about Valheim are the requirements necessary for building structures. Before we can begin building, we must use the hammer to place a workbench. Once placed, we can begin building structures anywhere within the effective radius of the workbench. In addition to allowing us to build structures, the workbench also allows us to craft tools, weapons, and armor. It will also allow us to repair any of the items that we have created by using the workbench. But in order to create or repair, the workbench and other crafting stations such as the forge require that they are protected by a roof. Likewise, a bed used for setting a spawn point and refreshing our rested bonus also requires a roof. In some games that include base building, a floor and a roof are interchangeable. Not so in Valheim. While you can use a floor as a roof, the only building pieces that count as a roof in Valheim are those with the word roof in their names. In a pinch, you can place a single roof piece over a crafting station or a bed, but you aren't going to win any interior design awards in the process, and the wood pieces used to build your base will take weathering damage when not covered by an actual roof piece. If you want a functioning bed and crafting stations, your options are clear. Use the 26-degree roof pieces or the 45-degree roof pieces. But what if you really want a flat roof and access to crafting stations and a bed without using the less than desirable looking roof hack? This video will show you how. Here is the solution. After building your flat roof, climb up on top of your structure and add a wall half above every wall piece. Fill this area in with 26-degree roof ridge pieces by placing them onto your floor pieces. Then cover everything with another layer of floor. You will now be able to use your bed and crafting stations, and all the wood pieces under those roof ridges will be protected from weathering damage. The upper floor will still become weathered, however, because it isn't covered by a proper roof. You can repair it from time to time, or leave it as is. If you found this video informative or entertaining, please consider clicking the thumbs up button. Every like and subscription are helpful and appreciated. To be notified of future content, please tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching.